Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a quick look at IFX Brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get started. Operating from South Africa, IFX Brokers is an online trading broker where old-fashioned values meet with groundbreaking technology. The broker facilitates a one-stop trading and investment experience for private and institutional clients, providing them with highly advanced MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms for online trading of more than 200 instruments across 6 asset classes. IFX Brokers is committed to the fair treatment of all clients and recognizes that client satisfaction and a successful intermediary network is the foundation on which to build a sustainable entity. With strong ethos of commitment, transparency, and trust, prospective clients are confident that they are dealing with a broker where customer satisfaction is central to its culture. IFX Brokers is a trading name of IFX Brokers Holdings. Their distribution and market conduct is regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority and is an Authorized Financial Services Provider. IFX Brokers perpetually upgrade their instruments to offer clients the finest low-cost trading services through state-of-the-art trading platforms with unrivaled top-tier liquidity and competitive spreads. The company offers individual and corporate accounts, and traders have the flexibility to select an account suitable to their strategy and risk appetite. IFX Brokers specializes in trading and provides services through Forex, indices, commodities, and CFDs, with lower spread pricing, interbank implementation, a large range of indices to choose from, stable service with 2.5 millisecond execution speeds, and more. Leverage offered by IFX Brokers is up to 1 to 500 and is easily managed from the client portal. Selecting the right Forex level leverage depends on a trader's experience, risk tolerance, and comfort when operating in the global currency markets. Provided accounts are featured on IFX Standard, Raw, and Islamic accounts with lower opening deposits, competitive commissions, the best trading conditions, demo accounts, and more. The broker provides traders with both the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which has remained one of the most advanced and popular trading platforms to date. The platforms offer a convenient method of trading multiple assets, and it has a multilingual interface. It is available as a desktop application for Windows and Mac computers, as well as a mobile application that is designed for Android and iOS devices. Opening a trading account requires potential traders to register online with a quick click through the online application. With easy access to the terms and conditions that govern the client relationship, provided all KYC documentation is submitted, accounts are approved in less than 4 hours. IFX Brokers also provides their very own educational academy, which features beginner, intermediate, and advanced courses in financial trading. High-quality study guides, which include a flash drive stored with the required course material, and features step-by-step guides to strategies, examples, explanations, a glossary, as well as interactive assignments, if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IFX Brokers. And that is our overview of IFX Brokers. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.